Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda on Cemu. First, you'll need to download the Cemu emulator from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring a 64-bit operating system and a modern processor. You'll also need the game files for your desired Zelda title, which are not provided with the emulator itself. Let's get started with the setup process. Once Cemu is downloaded, extract all files into a new folder on your computer. Next, open Cemu and navigate to the Options menu to configure your settings. It's crucial to set up your input controls, mapping your keyboard or gamepad buttons to match the Wii U gamepad. Consider downloading community graphic packs to enhance your game's visual fidelity and performance. This step ensures a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience. Now let's add your Zelda game. Create a folder for your Wii U games and place your Zelda titles files inside. In Cemu, go to File then Load Game or Add Game Path to locate your game. For optimal performance, explore the game profile settings. You can enable specific graphic packs for titles like Breath of the Wild, which can significantly improve resolution and frame rate. Fine-tuning these settings is key. To further enhance your Zelda experience, explore the vast array of community-created graphic packs. These can offer higher resolutions, improved shadows, and other visual upgrades. If you encounter any issues, the Cemu community forums and Discord server are excellent resources for troubleshooting. Remember to keep your Cemu emulator updated to benefit from the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. Enjoy your adventure in Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.